say hi to the vlog? Let me put the light on because I can't see.
You can't see?
The sun is setting. It's getting dark.
It's too dark?
Yeah. Hey, y'all.
Hey, y'all.
We're getting ready to go to practice. So, Malia, it's time for her to go to practice. But she's actually going in earlier today. Cheerleading season is almost over, so they're doing like an assessment for the cheerleaders. So, I have to take her early. Malia, what time is it?
Huh?
What time is it? What time is it, Malia? Oh, I didn't even say my intro. Hey, y'all, it's your girl Tiara here. I'm back with another video. If you're not new here,
It's
5
o'clock.
It's 5 o'clock. If you're not new here, welcome back. If you're new here, wait. If you're not new here, subscribe. And if you're not new here, welcome back. Hey, girl, hey. So yeah, getting dressed. I had to do a little video for this sports bra on TikTok. So I'm so mad. I paid $45 to get her hair done, and it's already looking a mess. Come, show them your hair. It's already looking a mess.
A mess?
I don't like that. I don't like that, but it's fine. I should have chose
You don't like that?
a different style.
Oh.
But I'm thinking maybe I could do like a bang, because her hair is short in the back, but it's long in the front. I'm thinking maybe I could do like bang hairstyle and then 3 knots going down. I'ma see. I seen like the adult girl, of course adults doing it as a hairstyle, but I don't see why a kid cannot wear the hairstyle. I'm gonna look it up, but I think so because it's kind of like a Bantu knot style. But yeah, it's 5 o'clock. We're supposed to be there at 6, and I know it's rush hour traffic, so we gotta hurry up and get up out of here. Let's go, Malia. Let's go. Hey y'all, happy Friday. It's 8:29. Food secured. We secured wine back there as well. So it's Friday night. I was gonna take Malia with me, then I realized my mama is off tonight, so I was like, Mommy, can you watch her? Like, it's crazy. You have kids and still gotta ask your mama permission to go out. Like, girl. So my friend is gonna do my hair. I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited. I hope my hair comes out right. I pray that it does. But I'm going to get my hair done. So my friend is gonna do my hair, and then we're gonna have wine and stuff. And then she was like, depending on after, we might could just have a drink, like, I could make some lemon drops or whatever, but we was like, let's do my hair first. So got the food for her and I, and then I got some wine for now. So yeah, but I think some other girls are supposed to come over to the house. I'm not sure, but that's what she said. They may or may not, but nonetheless, if they do or don't, but it would be nice if they do. Nice little girl talk. Yeah, and then tomorrow I'm gonna try to vlog this weekend. Like, I feel like this is such an eventful weekend. I do really want to record it. Like, I really do. I was even thinking of like getting like a camera, not a DJI, because that thing is expensive as fuck. But I was thinking like just another little camera. I seen the one on TikTok shop, the extra music, but it's just as much as the DJI. But then I saw another one that's a little bit smaller, but the thing is clear. But I don't know. But I do want to start vlogging more. I really do. But yeah, so this weekend, I could talk about it because it's not gonna be posted right away. So tomorrow is my friend's birthday. Bava. It's my friend's birthday tomorrow, February 28th. It's her birthday. So she's having a field day for her birthday. And then in the evening tomorrow, she is getting proposed to. I'm so happy for her. Like I know her boyfriend has been planning for months and months at a time. Like, I know he's nervous, but you know, he got this. Like I told him, it's nothing to worry about. He got this. So he did send the instructions, like he sent like a group chat, but then he just sent the instructions today to make sure like everybody is there on time, blah blah blah. So yeah, that's going on Saturday, and then Sunday she's having a brunch, so it's like back to back to back. It's her birthday, so she going all out. So, but it's like the fact that she doesn't know about the proposal makes it even like more of a like full. Ooh, these rolls, honey. Even the fact that she doesn't know about the proposal, of course, like it makes it even more of a shebang. Like it's her weekend. It's a weekend. It's her birthday weekend. Like then she got these 3 things going on. Like it's gonna be so fun. Like, so I'm supposed to make the mac and cheese for that. I'm supposed to make the mac and cheese for the field day tomorrow, and then the brunch. And then after the brunch, for real, I have to go on my fast. Like I was supposed to do the fast. The fast was 10 days ago to start for Lent, but I didn't start it because it was all these events back to back. Last week was Galentine's. Then I did a brunch with my friend to record that. But yeah, like it's just all these events back to back. It's 22nd, yeah. But yeah, child, that's really it. That's really it. But I'm gonna really hope to record. Like I'm gonna record. I hope so. But yeah, that's it. That's all. I ordered me an outfit on Amazon. I hope it fits me good, because my stomach never been on flat. Like I'm not afraid to admit that, but I do not like my stomach, how round it is. And speaking of that, real quick before I stop yapping, I'm gonna get this IUD removed out soon, because I just can't take it no more. I don't plan on having no more kids, because I ain't got no man anyways. And I already said, like, I'm a one and done mom. Like I don't see myself. These lights are so bright on this car, I can't even see. I'm a one and done mama anyways, and I don't plan to have no more kids. So why not take it out? Because I feel like it's hindering me from losing weight, and then my stomach looks so damn hard, like, and round. So no, none of that. But yeah, let me see where I'm close. So let me stop yapping. I'll come back to y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, happy Saturday. It's the next day. Y'all, my hair did not turn out like I wanted it to. So pretty much the part that's supposed to be it's supposed to say hi, vlog. Hi. So yeah, it's supposed to be a up down. So she did the down part, obviously. But pretty much all of this that's out in the front is supposed to be the up part. She couldn't get it to like go in the ponytail for this part. So, and I can't do it. I tried like 3 times. I got so frustrated. Like I'm never the type to cry, but like last night I felt like I wanted to cry, because it's like, damn, I really wanted this hairstyle. Like I've been seeing it for so long, but you know, child. But I just said, whatever, it is what it is. Like I would just have to wear it like this for the next couple of days until it get old, like maybe the next 2 weeks. And then my hair is still kind of like, obviously with the spray and all that, so it's still kind of heavy. See, look. So yeah, I try to put like, I did put like water and a little bit of conditioner, but I didn't put enough. So yeah, and then I didn't have time to wash it out, but I should have just washed it out. But yeah, this is what I'm working with. Like I'm not too happy with it, but I just put on a headband. But yeah, this is just what I'm working with. So it is what it is. But me and Malia are twins. We got on a white tank top, and then a white tank top, a white skirt, a tennis skirt, and we got on white and black shoes. I really wanted her to have Sambas, but I was like, damn, I just thought about that at the last minute. But then I remember my mama bought her these white and black Adidas, so that's what she got on. And then I got on the Samba dudes from Walmart, but they white and black. So yeah. So we don't have matching bracelets, but I bought her a bracelet yesterday that she wanted, and I just got on this Van Cleef dude. Malia don't have her ears pierced. I need to do that soon. But we did do our makeup. Well, I did our makeup this time because I was like rushing. I'm running late. My friend, which is a birthday girl, it's her birthday. Happy birthday, Baba. It's her birthday and it's her party. And why I'm late? Like if Baba get there before me, I'm late because she just never runs on time. Like no matter what it is, birthday or not, like she just never runs on time. Like and she knows that joke about her. Like girl, you never gonna be on time. But if she's there before me, that says a lot. So yeah, it's 1:45. It says I'll get to the park in 20 minutes. It's kind of raining right now too, like drizzling a little bit, but hopefully it's not drizzling over there. But we're supposed to be to the proposal, the spot of the proposal, I think it's at 8:45. So which means we need to leave the park like 6. And then I was trying to look through the closet. Malia doesn't have nothing black, so she's just gonna have to. She won't be the only one not wearing black. I'm sorry. I know he said a dress code, but she a kid. She could pass, so she could wear her graduation outfit. That's kind of like dressy. And then for me, I'm most likely just gonna wear the. You know what? I just thought about something. I had these fringe black pants, but I can't find them nowhere. Like that would be perfect. Just pants and a nice little top. I know I see my black top, but I cannot find my fringe pants anywhere. And I love those pants down, okay? But I cannot find them anywhere. I had a black dress that I wore at my other friend proposal. It got a little pink in it, but it'll do. To know where it's at, I have no idea. It's either in a closet somewhere in a whole bunch of clothes, or it's in the garage with a whole bunch of other clothes too. Like, yeah, it's dark. It's getting dark. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna try to record when we get there, but I'll talk to y'all later.
How old are you?
Hey y'all, happy Sunday. It is the next day. Y'all, I did a horrible job at recording. I'm sorry. I need to turn this down. I did a horrible job. So I probably only gave y'all like what, 2 clips? 1 clip from the field day, and then another clip from last night, which is the proposal. Y'all, when I say I'm so happy for my friend, like, oh my gosh, you know what she's been through? And my girl is is engaged now. Like, oh my God, I'm so happy for her and her soon-to-be husband. I just love love. Like, I just love love. And it's like, side note of that is like, I'm happy that I can be happy for others, even though that's not my own situation. I remember years ago, like when I was with my baby daddy, and like I used to see people get proposed and getting engaged and getting married. I used to see all like this Instagram posts. You know, once Instagram show you something that you interact with, they're gonna keep showing it to you. And I used to see it all over my timeline all the time, and I used to just be upset, like damn, why this can't be me? Damn, this why this can't be me? Like, but I've grown to like, yes, I still want marriage, don't get me wrong, but I do have a different outlook on it. Like, and like I used to be so angry and upset, but now like I'm happy that I can be happy for others. Like, I used to be like, oh, they getting married, like, oh, they got engaged. She was like, like, I used to be like that type of angry, like, and I used to just like sit back and think like, what the hell was wrong with you? Like, why are you angry that somebody is being loved on? Why are you mad that somebody got engaged? Like, why are you upset that somebody got proposed to? So it's like, girl, but I'm so happy that like I'm not in that phase anymore. But anyways, what I wanted to say also is just like, I'm really, really happy for my friend. And then today we're going to brunch. So I did try my outfit last night. It does fit, but if I do any dancing, baby, I better pull this skirt down, okay? Like, ugh. But I wish that my stomach was smaller, but don't worry. This IUD getting taken out, and I'm gonna get on some Ozempic. Like, I can't do this anymore. I cannot do this anymore. And I'm gonna document that, honey. I am. Like, I'm not afraid to be open about it no more. Like, yeah, I'm fat. I gained a lot of weight. I gained 50 pounds since I had my daughter, and now it's time to do something about it for real. Like, I'm trying to, like, not be so stuck in motherhood anymore, even after 5 years, almost 6 years. But I gotta stop. I let myself go bad, and I can't keep doing that. But yeah, we going to brunch later. I'm trying to hold on to my appetite because I'm starving. When I say I want to eat, like, I feel like I haven't eaten since, really for real, like Friday. Like, I have been just dipping and dabbing in food a little bit because of all these events. And then I wanted to get some food yesterday from Chef Tally, like this jerk barbecue place, but that place was crowded, and I'm like, damn, I can't wait. So yeah, I'm really hoping that I can get a lot of food today because I'm starving. But right now I'm at the laundry. This is gonna be my first time doing this. I'm just gonna do the drop service. It's 11:13. We're supposed to be at brunch at 12:30. I'm gonna leave at 12:30 because I know we're not gonna be there on time. So I'm gonna come back, take a shower and all that, and then get ready for brunch. So I will talk to y'all later. Looking for something to believe in. I lost 50. Give me something I can see. I won't lose, never learn. Rather just touch your word. So promise not to get this far. Should I give you a chance? They don't know about the times you put me through. You know, sometimes can't find you. Hey y'all, I stopped real quick to Whole Foods to get flowers, but then I ended up getting like little fruit and stuff. So I can juice. So after I leave here, then I'm gonna go to the brunch place.